I'm gonna start by separating a plastic bag so that we can press our tortillas. This will prevent the dough from sticking to the press. So for the corn flour, we're using Maseca. Maseca is a corn flour with lime in it. And it is made for pupusas, tortillas, sopes, gorditas, all those things. This flour is gluten-free. We are going to mix our flour with regular wheat flour, and our tortillas will not be gluten-free, but if you want to make them just with only this, you most certainly can. So in here I have a cup of that Maseca and a cup of flour. And the reason I am mixing flour and Maseca is because I want my tortillas to be very, very soft. And this is how to do it. As always, I will put the grams at the bottom underneath the video in the description box. I'm gonna add about a half a teaspoon of salt. Just gonna whisk that together so it mixes well. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can also use lard if you want, or even butter. So 1. Mix that until we have, you know, like a crumb consistency. And now I'm going to add 3/4 cups of water. This water, I boiled it and I let it rest. It is hot, guys. I didn't take the temperature, just use hot water, okay? We're going to knead this until it's all nice and uniform. If it's too dry, I'm gonna add a little bit more of water. If it's too sticky, we'll add a little more Maseca. And this needs a little more water. I'm gonna do this a teaspoon at a time. I don't wanna overdo it because I don't want it to get sticky. This is looking pretty good. You know what? I'm just going to wet the tips of my fingers and put that on. My dough is warm and I'm happy with that. There we have it. So I'm going to form little balls. You can make them as big as you want, guys. I'm making mine the size of a walnut. If you want them to be exactly the same size, you're gonna have to weigh these. I want you to cover the balls of dough with a damp, clean kitchen towel. Make sure you wring it well. You don't want the extra water on them, okay? And what we're gonna do, guys, is let these rest for 20 minutes before we press them so that the gluten just relaxes, okay? We're gonna press our tortillas in between that bag that we prepared. If you don't have a tortilla press, go ahead and just, you know, roll these out with a pin. I want these to be thin, so I'm going to press these a couple times. And there you go. These are perfect for me. They're nice and thin, and as you can see, they didn't stick at all. We are gonna cook our tortillas in a hot, dry skillet. Make sure your pan is nice and hot, guys. And these are gonna take 15, maybe 20 seconds per side, 30 seconds, not more though. They start getting little spots like this and kind of bubbling. You can smell them, they're ready, okay? So easy, guys, and so delicious. Check out those tortillas. They're nice and warm. Let's give them a try. Oh, they're soft. Very nice, guys. They have a mild corn flavor, of course, because we mixed it, but they're really soft. These are gonna be great for making little tacos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.